Good evening. Welcome to Open House 2018. Welcome you to my classroom. Today you get a chance to look at the various things that the students are working on. Here I'll even present to you an opportunity to eat hardtack, which is from our current unit of study. This is fairly fresh. It's a week old. May not be what you want to eat for dinner, and it is hard. It's called hardtack. Perhaps your son or daughter can explain to you how this was used. So, first of all, once again, I welcome you. As we look at as you look at what we did this semester, you're going to see that our students worked on things from westward expansion, the antebellum time period. So, when they looked at slavery, you'll get a chance to see these maps of as how they track slaves from the time period they left Africa to the United States. We've talked about immigration. As I said, right now we're looking at the Civil War. And so there's a lot of things that they've done during this course. There's a lot of writing that takes place in my history class. Even though it's a history class, students may refer to also a lot of writing and reading as well. So you will see presented to you on some of the walls, you'll see essays, and these are outstanding essays that were done by students on the Mexican-American War and what were the causes of the Mexican-American War. We also have, as I said, the maps from slavery. There are some QR codes from certain projects that were done on the Mexican-American War. So if you get a QR code reader and you read that, it will take you to a Google account. Maybe your son or daughter can access it so that you can see those. All of the students have their work. It's actually on Canvas as well. And a lot of students, the students also read from what's called Newsela, and usually on that they have daily quizzes. So a lot of the work that students have produced is actually online. So if you're really wanting to see what your son or daughter has done, ask them to show you. And they should be able to access it via Canvas. They could show you Newsela. And that's pretty much the night. So as you take a look around, welcome to ask questions. If you have questions about grades, please contact me outside of tonight, and so that we can discuss it privately. Thank you once again for your time, and enjoy the night.